Hey there, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers, and this short video is for the team over at 5 Borough AC HVAC company. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. I'll try to keep it as short as possible, so if by the end of this video you like what you see, give me a call, we can chat. If not, it's alright with me, so I'll get right to it. First thing I want to talk about here, it's going to be content. As you can see, I'm on your guys' home page. By content, what I mean is that you want to have at least 1,500 words or more on this home page here, some engaging pictures, and a lot of clickable material as well. But mainly you want to make sure you have at least 1,500 or more words, which are keyword rich and targeted to your industry and in the area that you guys serve. So 1,500 words or more on this home page. And also I noticed that when I type in your website, it shows as not secure. So whoever made this website, you definitely want to get in touch with them, or you can do it yourself. You will go on your SSL settings and you can change it there to make the website secure so it's more trusted along customers. Secondly, I want to talk about today is going to be citations. So I did a quick search here for HVAC companies around New York City, and this is what pops up. And this is basically going to be a good overview to show you how the customer sees search results in Google. So as you can see, this top section right here, it's going to be the Google Guaranteed. This is a paid service through Google in which you got to go through a verification process, and once approved, you're allowed to advertise right here. It's a great place to be because that's the first thing customers see, and it gives really strong leads. Secondly, we go to this section, which is the traditional Google Ads section. And in 2020, this is a hit or miss. A lot of people nowadays got ad blockers. If they got one of those, they're not even going to see this section. A lot of people in the past have had bad experiences clicking on ads, and they're not going to click on any of these. But a lot of businesses still do use this service. And if the words are correct, if the offer is good, if the link is good, yeah, sure, you can definitely get some good leads there too. And then we move on to this section right here. It's called the Google Map Pack. And this is where I'll explain to you what citations are. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. And as you can see right here, they only let 3 top people or top businesses show up on this map pack. We have different ways where you can push companies to this top 3 section. Moving down, we go down to this organic section, websites which have ranked organically and beat out their competition to come on the first page of Google searches. It's a really great place to be at. And you'll also see like national directories like Angie's List and Yelp out here, Home Advisor. But in between all of those, you can see that there's actually companies which have, or websites which have come out here organic. Last thing I want to talk to you about today is going to be backlinks. Backlink is going to be any website out there which is providing a link to your website, which potentially can give you traffic and good keywords as well, and backlinks. So I use this tool here called Ahrefs, and this is a paid tool, but it gives me really good information on how to assess the performance of a website. So as you can see, I put in your website right here, and it's showing me that you have 312 referring domains, giving you about 1,600 backlinks, which give you 65 keywords, which are returning you with 22 organic traffic per month. So 22 visitors to your website per month. And to put this into context for you, I pulled up another top competitor in New York to show you what their numbers look like right here. So as you can see, it's a pretty big difference. So I'll run it down for you. They got 826 referring domains, 4,200 backlinks, 7,800 keywords, all together giving them more than 18,000 people visiting their website per month. Now this is just to show you the direction that you want to put your website towards. This is yours again. So boosting all these numbers, it's definitely very doable, and we specialize in that, as well as we specialize in all those other things I mentioned to you today. So I told you I'll try to keep the video short. That's pretty much all I had for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational for you. If you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can talk. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. And I'd just like to get you to reply and tell me how I did on this video and provide me with some feedback on what you thought about it, okay? With that, thank you so much for your time and have a great day.